Today we are up here around Nemo, South Dakota, and Dad and I have rented a few ATVs, and we're gonna spend all day out on the trail. So we're just heading out now and anxious to do a little exploring up here in the Black Hills of South Dakota. We'd run into a bunch of cows on the trail, but they're everywhere up here. We've had the mishap for the day. One of the tires has officially fallen off of one of the vehicles, so we're in rescue mode for the rest of the day today.
But we thought, man, we got to get off.
Yeah.
Once we.
And I just didn't. Oh, that's right. All right. Well. Now have a new vehicle. Everything got fixed. Wheel is back on and the old one's into the shop. So we've got another solid hour or 2 hours of drive time. So we're heading back to the trail. trail rides have completed. It's about 5 o'clock right now, so we started at 9 o'clock, so we had 8 hours of trail riding here. And yeah, so worst thing we had happen was a wheel fell off, but sounds like a few other trail riders had some worse experiences, so I think we lucked out. All in all, a pretty good day. We'll catch you later.